Today, we will look at the multiple choice quiz and assessment tool. Some of you have already used this, but just in case, I just wanted to give you an overview. So first, sign in to your MagicSchool.AI account. If you don't have one yet, please email me at audrey.deerdorf@sweetwaterschools.org and I will set you up with an account. So when you sign in, it will take you to your home page. Your home page is titled Magic Tools. Then to search for the tool, you will either go up to the search bar and type in multiple choice, or you can scroll through and find it within your cards. These are all tool cards. So here is my multiple choice quiz assessment card. Now I will go ahead and select the multiple choice assessment card. This will open up the tool, and here you can create a multiple choice assessment, quiz, or test based on any topic, standard, or criteria. So you will notice there are three input boxes. The first one is grade level, which for us is our reading level. So determine what reading level your students are at and choose that grade, quote unquote, level. Then choose how many questions you want. You have 5, 10, 15, or 20 to choose from. And then the third box will be the topic, standard, text, or description of the assessment. It asks you to be specific. Here, I will paste a recent lesson plan I did using Magic School on how to learn English with an AI tool. So I will paste it there. Now, if I read through this lesson plan, I can always make it better if I want by going to the bottom right corner where it says Get Help with Prompt. This is a new AI tool within Magic School. So I will select that, and at the top, it will show me the improved prompt. I can now either copy that prompt or I can just say Accept Prompt. On the bottom, you're going to have the original prompt. So I will just accept the prompt. Notice it now put the accepted prompt within the box. I can then go to Generate and select it. It has created a 20-question multiple choice assessment. You can edit any of the questions and answers. I highly suggest you read it and you revise and edit. This is, again, only a starting point for you. You're going to want to revise and edit because sometimes AI will hallucinate, meaning it gives you wrong answers. Scrolling all the way to the bottom, it also gives me an answer key. And then at the very bottom, we have all of our options. The options I would like to use for this is export, because what it will do is automatically export to a Google form. So it makes it an instant quiz with a click of a button. So I will select Export to Google Forms. It will show me a preview, and if I like what I see, then I can select Export. Then within the pop-up box, just click Open Form in the bottom right corner. And here is your Magic School quiz. Again, you can review and edit within the form if you would like, but it automatically makes it a quiz so that it checks the right answer and it gives 1 point for the question. So that is how you use the Magic School multiple choice assessment tool.